Selam Selam, Kemey wilkum. Yekenyley na comment zavkomni, kedem zelezey neverni meshrefet. Ezi tetkime, gen ezi geganeru, gega, gen heji, meshrefet aleni. Meshrefet, Btami tsibuk. Meshrefet nay bun, meshrefet nay enjera. So I really love meshrefet. I think they are tsibuk, gobes, and I like the color and that they are handmade. So they are really cool and they are so useful for me. And yeah, maybe you think this video is totally crazy because I show you meshrefet, which is, you know, common for habesha people, but for me it's really special. So you cannot tell for this weird video, but I just wanted to show you my meshrefet because I'm proud of them. And I just wanted to say Yekenyley, Btami, ymesgen for watching my videos. It's such a pleasure when habesha people comment my videos in Tigrinya or amharic, because actually I learn a lot due to your comments. So a lot of words I understand and some I translate, and this is really helpful for me. So thanks a lot, Yekenyley, Btami, ymesgen. Have a nice day. Ciao ciao. Selam Selam.